The Festool range of 18-volt lithium-ion cordless power tools continues to grow. Let me introduce you to the RSC 18 cordless reciprocating saw from Festool. Welcome to Festool TV, my name is Carl. The RSC 18 reciprocating saw is built for power, speed and robustness to produce excellent cutting results even in the most demanding of applications. Packed full of the latest technology, the RSC 18 makes demanding and time-consuming heavy-duty sawing tasks quick, comfortable and safe. From construction, renovation and landscaping projects to window replacement and general building work, no matter what material you need to cut through, the right saw blade can be found in the Festool range. Here we have a piece of construction timber containing nails. Watch how effortlessly I can cut this material with the RSC 18. The robustness of the RSC 18 derives from the RSC's power and engineering. Powered by a maintenance-free, brushless EC-Tech motor, the motor ensures a long service life and the heavy-duty gearbox is engineered to reduce vibration by as much as 40%. This increases the energy efficiency of the sawing action as less energy is lost and reduces the impact energy on the gearbox and bearings. The 2-speed gearbox, variable speed trigger and adjustable pendulum stroke ensure maximum cutting speeds are achieved. Gearbox setting 1 is perfect for cutting plastic and metal, and setting 2 allows rapid cutting of wood and construction materials. The variable speed trigger allows for accurate smooth startup and throttle control to suit the material and application. The variable pendulum stroke allows for faster cutting progress in rough cuts and reduced tear out when cutting metal and plastics. One of the most fantastic things about the RSC 18 is that despite its power, speed and robustness, ease of use and user comfort have not been forgotten. The tool is both ergonomic to hold and to use. Soft grip areas on both the handle and gearbox provide maximum comfort, and all controls are easy to adjust even when wearing gloves. The 40% reduction of vibration from the tool's design means less vibration is passed to your arms, tendons and joints, providing even more comfort when sawing. The tool-free blade chuck allows quick and easy blade changes. The chuck automatically ejects blades after use to prevent you handling hot blades and automatically locks blades when inserting. With the ability to lock the blades in either direction, the tool can be rotated to enable flush and plunge cutting. Integral LED lighting illuminates clearly the work area and saw table. The safety lock, found above the trigger mechanism, ensures no unintended operation of the tool occurs, and safety scaffold hook allows the secure storage of the tool between cutting applications. The fully adjustable saw table can be adjusted to suit the application and to increase the life of saw blades. And of course, it wouldn't be a Festool tool if it didn't have the facility for dust control. The dust control adapter simply clicks into position on the saw table and allows connection to a Festool dust extractor. When powered by an 18-volt Bluetooth-enabled lithium-ion battery, the Bluetooth connection will automatically switch on and off the power of your Bluetooth-enabled dust extractor. Perfect when working overhead, working with building materials that create fine dust such as plasterboard and fiberboard, and removing sawing chips. Let's see the dust extraction in action on this section of plasterboard. Available as a Plus version with two 5Ah batteries and TCL6 charger, or as a basic version without batteries and charger, the RSC 18 is supplied in a Sustainer 3 large 187 with room to store accessories and blades so they are on hand whenever you need them. So, the RSC 18 reciprocating saw from Festool, the simply must-have tool for heavy-duty sawing. And don't forget, the RSC 18, like all Festool tools, is covered by Festool warranty all-inclusive when registered within 30 days of purchase. Registration takes just seconds with the Festool Work app and offers the benefits of 3 years free of charge service and repair, including wearing parts, batteries and chargers, 3 years theft protection cover and a 10-year spare parts guarantee. I do hope you will join me again next time for a closer look at the settings of the RSC 18 and range of blades available. For more content on Festool products, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Carl, thanks for watching.